Okay, yamo be akwaba aha GH live. Ya trans say around the world. Yirem na ya didi nkomo. Ya ko Canada nom na anu ada erem UK. Masha obo say yibe rem wiase baby na ya didi nkomo se ne be ya afei e na wonso obetutu afri Ghana na sempo wo akwantuom na bambu na sempo nya bambu na bia no na yakeka kan siani na yesua de aboa ama bibia awie pay nti and ye kokra ya to din said the Kingdom of Belgium. Yes, northwestern Europe. Honum and a yeko nafi ikra and in Netherlands and a German Luxembourg, France. And of course, edi de shiamuno, omobo a shiano, a ho and a yeko nafi yakudim komoka kra. Na ya who said in Sanson isi ko. Midi Derek Saint Kizito and minu abe women nidin ede baju or no and then newa ba womia and ya for the agro cry tieko. Na ya kwa bon komo kakra edi free hono.
GH live na mutie, GH live na mutie, GH live na mutie, GH live na mutie. Abrabo munsem, eni jensem, amanyesem, dedi munsem, agopa masunsem, amantem, so was nedi kamfo. Baba tenase, breke se jane du kasafo ni mukuni.
Okay, enti GH live so and I only a dear shiamu inti na hedia shiamu na around the world and I yede bro according to komo say and encrofo cruso misiti mimi wo American cropon mu minia and then din komo so your friend no baju ima ono so Belgium minia me mo akwa ba na bibia bokọ there
minia me joso radiadom yekrekram.
Nice one. Na sisi ayi na wo sisi Belgium ina wo
Minia me wo Belgium cry friend Antwerp ho na me Mexen to be precise.
Oh, good. Couldn't they say?
Now me can Mexen.
Oh, wow.
Mexen. MERKSEM. Mexen. That probably can in so wow. We can in English but I can how you pronounce it. Mexen. On must say Aroneba. Mexen. See, I want to see yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
bro, Ben, the crack.
Yes, only a dinner. Yeah, it's been a very long time.
Or sing a Mishra Yame.
I mean, sure.
And it's here. Now, Siciano send a whole word down currently to say daytime, evening, night, in saying it's here. You had the Ariana Sassi, you rem summer, no America, you rem summer. I'm aware.
Okay. Minia, Sabe Pepe and it's here. Only a good times here from April ending, May Musano. If you are not sure, unity kakra kanya de. My head answer show a big kakra. Yeah, I think last Thursday, 20. I think it was 24. If you are not about kakra fine, and right now we are in Saturday. And Friday so I think it's about 17 kakra. It's an apani so go ya fine. But we are no around there 4 months. Asa it was 18 kakra. But can you say no 7 degrees Celsius. See insanity ever. It's only top now on a back. Maybe an able crack. Maybe a probably for me economy. We said the BTS minutes is a Kenya Samakaka.
Oh, good.
Sure.
Na sisi yensem komo basi na indeed in komo. Uyo bia o Ghana na yen century juma.
Very well.
For the agro crab century juma na now yo. Now life in Ghana and life in Belgium no. In general perspective na yeka enya wokra personally say wo hwe Ghana say de ne yekoba ye sorry anopa ne akopita your voices ne bodwuma na about the voice no why you go back from there tomorrow ne yekoba na omfamra ne ade na let abrabo man kasa in Belgium no ye de compare Ghana say na hu niema
Minia na me no kwani ye twantro enfancho bia and you can't talk at all. Can I share phone your phone and answer you? Say, if you are no crow and no crane, who compare Belgium and Ghana? Meaning there's a vast difference. As Sukaka said, all kind of that's not Ghana for so many years before said, I may be and go full crucial. na with the Belgium air compare Ghana the America say so no many eso kakaka in terms of BBR so only say why think as you come why because obesha awona mu okona oba efie adwuma okona oba efie adwuma sa ewie when America say you bet say abontin why you going e be an friend e be omo ye bibi na be like what me akobi ni ade and maybe America say be an go focus be efie there but apart from that no Belgium comparison to Ghana in terms of the BR, education, working, living, housing, the BR, Belgium a high, Ghana. Minum na be the dance say ya tina Ghana no I be do some for crazy. Fine, all baby, missing already, but some the Belgium to Ghana on the many America say Belgium also change Ghana in terms of signing and boss housing, living, working, I mean a whole lot of food, shelter, clothing, the BR, Belgium also. Ghana, you struggle to find it, and you strive. But say you strive, no, at least there's a work that you are doing. We are doing at least wait me wait me. I after the open, wait me the open. I said the open is animal. Unlike a Chrome Ghana, you have to sweat. So now can you must run over prayer free few 4 o'clock. Yeah, I guess you do you will be a juma. All right, but so I'm man in terms. Rebecca said, "Oban in terms of my so I am the month no in the Minnesota you am free ban.
Of course,
Ni na echi no bonu krom ante sa. Me am no me no be die adance pass. Yes and tie. Obaye adwuma no at the end of the month your money is intact, your salary is intact. Put your bills like 1 or 2 bills be so at the end of the day no was amount of money there. I remain here waiting should be for food stuff for clothing. Waiting there keeping near there. Ghana say na obi and say na wo be see. See na be transportation. Ofi won ya de na. I think Belgium also change. Ghana will be.
Yeah. That's a nice one. Now, Yanshe Krona, Yanshin Yi Kakrana, Yanshin, maybe send your bay. I'm going to send a visa from Ghana na or Shaminu Muna or Belgium. First of all, and Yama Bay and a year unique or bar. Unshia bi Ghana e stronko na a wo hwa obekama na sia na o ma me free muto e dey na so unique e stronko a e so prepare massively na enkubu na be.
Okay, yes, Ghana a country we are always ready and open to answer. Obiaye welcome. Yes, I think that is the same in Belgium, but said you have to know it first before say or Belgium. When you say US funds, at least most more yes.
Absolutely.
Belgium, I think before I think Obama maybe yeah. Mami before so about no so utimi nya ba ko me bi ansa na you have to probably ubetimi atwa so watwa so first of all I think so we have the basics about Belgium so chrono ankasa ube movie akọ Belgium chrono sense tie ube check in moving to Belgium say a good idea for you and I say a good on sani when I so to figure out say be your person now where you want to live in the Belgium Samuel Maxim first number different places or I think bugger out and I move out no a place I think the Muslims are many then a bad place but there were many over there yeah be na move about maximum residential area very quiet very beautiful environment very good so anyone and so to figure out where you going to live I think so maybe a budget a fit to the cost of living. For instance, if you are only movie or but so over, and so putting us money na when you have this now over only movie one to many minutes be more than say we man so over now only movie meaning so radi amwa so radi amwa asha obey musana was a work team support and for so be amaso so so prepare budget a little bit me affect the cost of living and yeah I think so so to find out the requirements to become a Belgian resident. So I be draw every day at least 40 room. I said the man and no draw and you know it to a chebemabo. When you're room no quantity, so you be a one bit in your boot to say no be no. You know I near Tia Radaya Duma that can be a citizen. I mean I train a party. Like any home friend one obekwa so akwa iti ko show nsem so nya room ni dey so to find out the requirements so to become a Belgian resident so the two room na busi sani ade all those easy but so we ran kwa me ma pese ukakro na rade ya wadom na so tini bi kakra dey ani mo na no so timi afin so you have to translate and legalize the documents ubenya wo documents kakra so dey anso obibo bi achecho mu Netherlands but yeah normally a Dutch but Oberkrom was in Netherlands but I'm say Dutch because Belgium for our customer some so more Dutch or more German and more other language I can say more yeah a bit of English in some more but funny more so it's all take into consideration answer at least we have documents now yes or yeah anything where you have to go where do you have to go yes someone oh you're very careful police especially then go focus yeah police for it's the and a bad way a normal processing way but one in the right way I mean one upon your mefaswa no be so say take into consideration and I think so it be nice they be open time crown so Belgium and that Belgium no and a bit difficult and difficult at all because there was some areas or more agencies.
Okay.
So and you have a rent fee and be one you can go to the office now for what you inquiries all those stick credit but when you be welcome to settle down you want to get your own house here you on bit me up one and before say you over say plan take it as well now so take into consideration I think so or more health insurance you hands I buy so and I think so found work. So about Belgium, sir, about Tibia Ghana hospital. You get some money in your hand, son. Yeah, Dr. Timashon. Many Belgium and Tissa. Son of this baby, I want to enter hospital. No, on my show, come on, daddy. To say about Belgium, Canadian Uniska. Maybe I'm your first man, maybe I already count cards here. And you know, hospital say yes anyone go to now what enya ama bia ya okay e ya mawa hospital on be show after one bia ya okay and what you know answer na obi aba answer na what you just imagine my show be bia e be betimi aba after 1 month time and I be betimi aba after e be 2 months time near the and no crowd say ba anya outright say to try to boom say a small you can just negotiate with them. Say if you have every month, you know, who trying to crack. If
there's a payment plan, which is a payment plan.
It's insurance, health insurance policy. And I said, I'm company to one today. I buy no any found all those says, oh yeah, do my dear. But some is wrong. Oh, cry so with you. And my buy no. And no any security a so baby and so baby. And I can never so at least or more some month there after every quarter of the month and or more. It's some month and if you salary and if you answer one to your computer any system no they just deduct it straight away and so they ground salary no no already can at the and say or tax na money na already can it say one kasa usika wo deserve no and say eba na aba having so nyama ko meto to say as uba country no a na bi won so say register our office I for office no main commune on akwa normally uba bibia na say call na call find out inquiries so that they are waiting to apply for the Belgium ID card. And they don't be a win so they are both account, Belgium account. If you are waiting to bank account, so that they are also seek a for and near my community. I think these are some of the major things. So move to Belgium, I said, move to Belgium. And so that they are also live, you know, a better and the Subitin Akoye at the amount.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's the power of na language barrier, no. Meaning say how much Dutch said now can no or much French and of course English and I say BB it is the empire na majority we are language in the same city.
Very good. Belgium normal almost say Netherlands. But Oshima more or less like a Dutch language because Netherlands for more Dutch, Germany for Dutch, but Belgium they are a bit like to the Netherlands, but yeah they are a bit lighter. But to share the way Holland and Germany for more Dutch now, they say was stroke because they have three language, French, Dutch, and I think more kasa kakra music about Netherlands, and now compared to that Belgian language, and I said they come kasa more three main languages as more kind of Belgium. I say.
Oh, okay. Yeah, share about religious background. Minim say Christianity or say the Odin kan Islam no any other way no. Nyamesoma nkasa say na nyamesom wo Belgium dey na majority. And
Yeah,
no.
very good. Many Christianity ahead of Belgium for what I know, and also what I've seen. I think adults will happen. Also, Belgium a small country with about 11.5 million population. And I think the outsiders no council count and I'm almost streets and I say almost the center of Europe. I think the Europe now head of office no Belgium I see. I think the population with outsiders no kind of manner and with religion I think the Christianity religion yeah and I think that what happened more because oceans on China, Romans on China, also I see and yeah Muslims no mainly outside it and I'm joining especially with the Moroccans and the Turkish and the other Islamic countries in the and I think that was it much I think that number some or more power.
Oh, okay. Now, with regards to Nyamisumino, yen tackle way, Ghana ankasa, Ghana, sorry, I walk Belgium, hono, a Dawson, because Oba, said the name Ghana, no, the name say Ghana, sorry, the buso, you're quite sorry, Monday to we near the now grow. Oba America, hanuma, your other abrofa, sorry, bibriwa, and yes, our Ghanaian community, other churches, our Haminim Roman, sorry.
Sure.
Ɛwɔ bea me wei ɛna ɛyɛ Ghana for nko adeɛ ɛna menim SDA nso asɔre ɛno nso yɛ wokɔ bronze a SDA fo asɔre Ghana for deɛ wokɔ Connecticut a SDA fo asɔre ɛyɛ Ghana for nko adeɛ ɛwɔ hɔ no mokɔ Hartford a Bloomfield ɛna mokɔ no nti saa pɛpɛpɛ sɛ na Belgium deɛ ɛsitie yɛwɔ Ghanaian community churches wɔ hɔ.
Very well. Your Ghanaian community churches say Ghanaian community church. They are quite sorry to see. Only some Pentecost, all right, but me quite no, Bahano, me call Pentecost, but maybe I now want to my feet on and say SMS me joining us. So sorry, any say me call sorry, Garden of Praise.
Oh, good.
Garden of Praise. A friend go Garden of Praise. Go for short. One I'm a sorry, Ghanaian community church. And also Christian church, yeah, fine. Yeah, Christian church, and your churches are almost a Christian church. It belongs to the French-speaking countries. It say the Ivorians, almost sorry, almost echo and a Christian church. Also, and the Cameroonians, almost and so and the Senegalese, yeah, almost a Christian, almost a war almost right, and I Muslims, almost a woman, they are almost a worship any other. And she, I think that Ghanaian churches, no, I think that I think we are Antwerp, your Faith Church, Faith Assemblies of God, Faith International Church, more I say almost so Maxim, yeah, Maxim, but yeah, what do you call it? Your bug sign or not a single, and I sorry, be say CAC, Christ Apostolic Church, almost more American, I so and I think that your other churches may be as well as your some churches you are I think that only Ghanaian churches, yes, Christian churches are almost even now different areas now maybe your Ghent, so and maybe your browsers, it being so Wallonie, it being so I think Bruges, it being so hence say your Ghent and your Kent, it being so it be a Ghanaian churches and it be individual churches. A Christian church, it belonging to the Ivorians, it belonging to the Cameroonians, the Ghanaians, and other friends in countries are among other people of Belgium. Your Christian church is more, and so I see compared to that of the Islamic ones, that is a Christian also. And I brought so that of can almost more actually, but mainly no a Roman. That brought from the Roman now, a fit now, almost a joining Roman also a dorsal. This is a maximum crying. I'm sorry, crying, your Roman church is in there free, and also Maxim Massey. So as soon as I baby to say then I first na me think about out almost more Roman phone church in you know Yankasa my pay visit to one of them friend be invite me on the call okay again so I think you will be and so on see ever from the mail no acquire Roman churches no and normally almost I worship you and individual churches no so I do also say me no can see
Okay, Oba America Hanoma, and of course, Mamisha in free Canada, Midin Komaka or Canada.
oh okay
Yes, so called Canada, you see Toronto, Ontario, Honum, Porter Mohone, your community, Ghana for ABC or Ghanaian community, no Honum. Oba America, Oko New York, moreover, Umso Binya Ghana for baby. Oko New York, there is other places, White Plains, Nom Bronx, Nom Gun Hill side, the whole. America Ghana for be brave or honum etiquette. I think we call New Jersey and Newark num any day say California and of which my home so my BC work at crapping. California so your specific place be North Hollywood and any day call how towns num any day. But say Oko Abia Connecticut a home so which is a home so a house American Connecticut and so be home baby East Hartford no day
sorry
Mohon no Belgium your specific place be a Ghanaian community. You got to mobo chengu kakra team na Ghanaian community ni kromo doso ana ene wo.
oh very good I mean yeah Ghanaian community and so far so good me buy and say me high man because of motors me obi a me pie there but I think say so okọ adwuma na okushia guys na nyom edi nkomo ni agade a at least omutimi ebie ni enye be so any extra amount da komodo so our system Antwerp Hamiti especially Ghanaian community gizo omo hapa omo doso wo hapa papa the Ghanaian community in Antwerp no enye so bad cry omo doso papa the Cameroonians the Senegalese the Ivorians the Moroccans the Turkish but Ghanaian community almost all Antwerp no gizo make us omo doso because we share the likes of Antwerp you will be to say Bogout to say the American your areas be your omo edos our hopa Bogout omo edos ko St. Anselm na omo edos ko baby to say Yam Pamfina omo area hono around the hostel area no I think say they also too much around there and I ko baby to say anything what do you call it Gent crano your baby na najuma one I think yeah ono so almost almost so area I think say almost Okobraza, you'll be all, but Antwerp, to be specific in there, there's a Ghanaian community and one thing about them is most of them are very friendly. Most of them are very friendly. Because especially if you are shop now, position now, if you are more the Ghanaian local language, hey, Charlie, we are gonna, we are gonna, say, baby, I saw Otika, so I'm can to say, yeah, oh. Ghanaians no very very much I think say I'm very many and I'm many Antwerp I think say doors I mean should not go but within Antwerp and Savia I think say maybe no more air contact you know I mean you say Ghanaian community Antwerp no doors other areas no to say Ibia Bruges more and Ibia Brussels more and Ibia Ledge no and Ibia Louvain more and this are Ghent no go from they say doors Ghanaian community there I think say omo edosun awo meche Antwerp.
Yeah. Yeni asema di nkomo from United Kingdom. Oche and yemani suka with regards to you compare with Ghana driving and hot driving. Meaning say Ghana the uni baby a isti abo I3 free any America there. Say and I Belgium driving is it here. Or drive the right side and also left side.
Yeah, the same thing. Like Ghana, you're driving all the left side.
Oh, okay.
You drive it or the left side. But many are making me a coach the Belgium for and for almost driving in the agro. You are very, very strict on your driving. So when you have driver licenses with a theory first and then what call the practicals, one gets a driver license in your hand. I'm sorry, you cannot drive in Belgium.
Any houses are yeah now who license no can equity so na na ya mu ya show nti sabe
you blow horn need do a cheap that's all party what is wrong we need the basic but the image now all of a sudden you busa about krata sem or driver license sem near that and easy hano so when you that requisite things we are I don't think say over to me I drive it. And even if the old driver crime, I would drive it carelessly. Not police when you don't do it. What you say, like you are driving, the green light is on. If you are on driving toward the green light in our boss, they will not blink it. A blinky, I always most red so I blink. I think the last to be happy to me. Ah, I'm with Dimitri. Yeah, blow on my horn on me. Impact it. I think there was a what do you call it? Filling station. You are saying, I'm going to impact me around. Means Simran had. I mean, my own red light. So maybe try to move so. No, it was right before you passed. And the idea. Yeah, bro, should be a idea. Almost many lines, but I'm divine. I'm sure. I'm not sure. It's definitely inside the America. But I'm share so. Maybe I'm back.
When you be here,
Right, with that right there, it's not my point. Sorry.
Oh, wait, I'm
Not my point. Sorry. I'm sure you all cameras will happen. Belgium shop, but cameras will happen since your baby who's driving there. Will be a sort of maximum speed 120, 100, 80, 70. But what we tell you, say be all could drive it, pass that amount speed limit in the air. I don't know how come and capture, but one time in the opportunity, police need to command the say capture one number plate.
Oh yes, I
didn't know. Yes, and let me be sincere with them how it captured it. But I say capture number plate. Oh, okay. And I capture, I say capture number plate. And one, and I went to letter box. Catch it. And one quick light. So I'll cover feed. This is what you are buying. So what this interesting thing is that I have so much, but I don't not eat this money. They will chop this money. They use this money for something purpose, something reasonable in the country.
Yes,
you do like a baby away. Back for sure.
Club.
Or jump pocket. No chop go to Mr. Pell. The Jan and open assassin. Police in the job doesn't have assassin. Oh, but what we tell you now, quite listen to see. I just once in a Ghana is being say I don't know. Say if he did something wrong with the and police in the stopping and say obeying the license or the US woman.
South Africa, that draw.
Obeying so what is this? My friend, get down. Which is our also I'm trying to buy the police one. Is that how you do it in your country, African and whole also be good anymore in the day, offering any other day. No for any chance man can't be offering any other day. Oh, I've quite even come where I said in the cocoa. And to sign him, you come over. I did say, so Belgium, and I was too quiet to be there in the Riviera. Bear in mind, says, I know the friend so similar. And one can. So catch what you are, Panacho, Amanatiasi. There's no way of a chassis. I don't fall short to the law of the country. And the answer will be into driving there, you're driving the left as usual. You're driving, so driving license big guy in that old driver only problem. You know, some little mistake will tell the mechanic could check more lights in there. And they will face the consequences until over speeding and it's an accident. Accident so bad. One thing I want to say, normally, when you're driving the person now, this always it needs to be with you. How you would choose your yellow and your white. And always the original ones, a one. You can say the photocopy ones, no, a one original. See, the BC who look at tube, I think just yesterday morning, Friday morning, I didn't go to school. Say, I'm not going to be crazy. So I quite make a maintain once and 2 months. Then they say free police form. Never check the cause of it. Yes, by who was at fault, who wasn't at fault, near church. It's a bad not so much once I did a mistake. Then church, that's an insurance for so I'm by Yama, no my Yama. They say, yeah, driving in there, almost taking it so easy. Good. Oh my God, it's not immaculate. It's easy. No, you're not immaculate. Just yeah. That's a muy difficult.
A day. For the avoid ABA, I feel no, you be said him being kind, or more obi ntini edi dwumadie
Sure.
yenu ebe nya visa na ne visa wanya no yɛbɛba saa nkɔmmɔ no so ne visa wanya no ɔba Belgium na Belgium aba wo ba no on the oba no ni akwanya odi betwi car sisi a bus system any train system ɛwɔ Antwerp any the entire Belgium no say
Yeah. Oh, okay. I think the bus system, train system, your train and your tram. Tram are quite a train now, but your train and your tram. Tram no, it works within the country. Being underground, being a normal road near them. A year more. And a train is so a year as usual. So the minimum if you all a very long journey there, you need to take the train and you need to take the flight and aboard the flight. And so buses and so a year more have 24/7. I think in every 15 minutes and 12 minutes. So which a bus stopper. That's the time difference at bus every 12 minutes bus never we later to check what time it's all the we say in every 12 minutes and every 15 minutes no bus no betting about at every bus stop there irrespective say there be happen if you are the bus number normally say about to say like emfawa or much say like on foul on hindrance just say it's not working my colleague pick it up say the other colleague from say obi anti bus no twem no and no any idea like something I had because if you are appointment maybe I so call he said akoja bus stop time see bus number na amadi and say oh yeah late kakra every 12-15 minutes it depending areas no time can 12 or 15 minutes and normally ya neighbor bus no all right now sometimes I never come on say you come Ghana now almost strike pa Belgium for also strike since buses from the table is almost cost strike pa I think that was only this year and I said later part of last year you see passenger be any bus driver by easy tournament you see easy blows for at this moment but now
of course
you see easy my most cost strike I think the battery is not even not working. And people were finding it very difficult to even move from their houses. Yeah, yes. Yeah. Some cost striker, they do it. Maybe and check, but in the later part, you know, somewhere in the afternoon, go say, match as no more yet. One, and you know, so some cost striker, they go on strike. More ends now, we make as say, and anytime they have what they deserve from the government. I'm going to say, but I think the last year they promised us, say, this year. Since between the month of February, March, no, there'll be a salary, you know, a rising. I think they're not here, but later party and it say cent that they can want paper, but just a cent. Who knows? Almost about at least we sell it, you know, once one set in your account. Some also a year Juma, I was saying, a question train a year Juma, a cop, and also very long places near the moment it's a train, open tram, a coffee, a cop. Copper come so yeah juma I say train na tell them and so yeah juma 24/7 almost so bus no cost striker at the same company the line from the line companies are more yeah juma brothers for e omo di nko and I think say Antwerp for so e omo di nko many other areas no but they say obians e won dey so mo ka so more cost striker they go omo and try mo be carry and you have to do it no almost satisfied why you're okay before see any report the either call in favor of them they are not the best of your muscle they are fine but apart from that no bus and the tram juma 24/7 trains so juma or call their other country to say they are Germany or call their France or call their Italy or call their Spain and also juma and it's with me about now so what they call and see find a bus system tram system train system I think say okay and anytime they are also they are on the road omo share kwan so ade makwa ama me feel abofo no omo road ehia ho papa but omo say people e fa so day in the out e ko na omo banya tell bia omo road so omo checking one or two things to feel say the okay on the road e dia but oni bia so intimacy ba Belgium me say accident be so strange but any minor ones they between happen. And just last week so it is Jabi so to browsers and the next say but God is so good. And they no one said that be a okay amount and last year this year yeah now you call Germany with our own cabinet friends. And so you're gonna to say accident as your crime. There's an ebe 200 meters ahead of us and 300 meters. But to say serious. Because in a ambulance cars no normal bunny at the I say how you know that of a US sanitary. I say BBC what we can call it ambulance no normal bar. If you almost aim one after doctors and so now doctors and so are attaching that. Use ambulance number 3 about doctors number 5 so my service start there 3 or 4. I change my helicopter so answer about this year. Hey, that's a nice thing. Yeah, yeah. And the coin in the say the way our cars be be but I say care tin and our private car be I say crash is serious. We have to now we could see about tell we so but it's what na ko so it's stranger. Yeah. So me delay crab almost 40 to 50 minutes. I can say it's one of the things that I can say happen but some more buses on more tram on more train since you okay what it be very much okay.
Subscribe to GH Live.